Hello, and welcome to GT eForms 3.x Functional Fluid Forms for PeopleSoft. If you watched the last videos in the series, you saw me quickly create an award nomination form, add data intelligence, and make a form conditional and dynamic using only configuration. In this video, we'll configure a flexible approval workflow. GT eForms leverages PeopleSoft Approval Framework, or AWE, but we've extended Approval Framework to make it more user configurable. Navigate to GT eForm Setup, then to the Routings tab. Select a Gideon-Taylor delivered definition ID, or you can also create your own and use them here. For each of the three approval steps, configure who approves at each step and whether a step is conditional. Click the participation roster icon to open the roster engine. The roster engine allows you to easily build a flexible user list. There's an option for everyone's business in this list. Select users by role, role query, individual users, and smart sources, or ask a developer to help create a people code roster or SQL object. Let's start with everyone in the department approval role. However, we don't want a form to go to every department approver in the organization. So using set logic, we can use a query roster to intersect department approvers with people who have department security to this employee. This narrows it down to approvers with department security. Okay, let's configure the other steps. For each of these steps, we'll use a visual if again to route an approver if the visual if is true. Route to the second approver for awards over 1,000, and the third approver only for awards over 3,000. If the total amount doesn't meet these criteria, step 2 and 3 will be skipped. We can also enable auto approval for this form. Now I can indicate if the approver at step 1 is in any of the other step roles. They only have to approve once, and the other steps will auto approve. Now we have a robust workflow in a form that's already interactive. Let's submit a form to the approval workflow. Now when the form is submitted, our results page includes a workflow visualizer, and we can see all the pending steps, including who the approvers are at each pending step. Using GT eForms, you can build powerful, functionally configurable forms that can actually meet business requirements. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video where we extend workflow with eForm notifications.